Have clients on retainer or subscription services. Recurring invoices automate your billing so you get paid on time, every time, without lifting a finger. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Create an invoice as you normally would. Before sending, click the Make Recurring button near the bottom. Give the template a name, example, Client ABC Monthly Retainer. Set the frequency, start date, and how many times to send it. You can choose to have QuickBooks automatically send it, or just save it as a draft for you to review first. My crucial pro tip: use auto-billing with recurring invoices. For the ultimate hands-off system, combine a recurring invoice with a saved customer credit card on file, with their permission. QuickBooks can automatically charge the card when it sends the invoice. Turn predictable income into a fully automated system. What's your most common type of recurring invoice? For more guides on business automation, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.